Hi friends, welcome to day 4 to solve UPSC Prelims questions 2019. Today we are going to deal with the sections Polity and Science and Technology. I'm Mamheshwari and I have cleared Civil Services Exam 2018. To know more about me, please pass the slide and read the info. Let's begin to win. Question number 1. Which article of the Constitution of India safeguards one's right to marry the person of one's choice? You may wonder whether there is such a right. Yes, this right to marry is implied in Article 21, which deals with right to life and personal liberty. And the Supreme Court had recently set aside a 2017 order of Kerala High Court, and mainly in Hadia case. Please do check the other options which may be asked in the following or upcoming prelims. Question number 2, with reference to land reforms in independent India, which one of the following is correct? Please go through all the options. The main aim of land reforms was to provide the agricultural land to all the landless. So the direct answer is B. The ceiling were aimed at family holdings and not individual holdings. This is wrong. It resulted in cultivation of cash crops. No, this has nothing to do with land reforms. No exemptions to the ceiling limits. No, there were n number of exceptions in land reforms. Question number 3. Under which schedule of the Constitution of India can the transfer of tribal land to private parties for mining be declared null and void? So when it comes to dealing with the tribal land, the schedules which must come to your mind are 5th and 6th. So the 5th schedule is here in the answer. The answer is B, 5th schedule. The governor can make regulations to prohibit or restrict the transfer of land by or among the members of scheduled tribes. Question number 4. As per the recent amendment to the Indian Forest Act 1927, forest dwellers have the right to fell the bamboos grown on the forest areas. No, this is wrong. The recent amendment has declared bamboo need not be defined as a tree in non-forest areas. So this is in non-forest areas so that the economic value of bamboos can be utilized. So this is wrong. As per the Forest Rights Act 2006, bamboo is a minor forest produce. Yes, this is correct. The Forest Rights Act 2006 allows ownership of minor forest produce to forest dwellers. This is also correct. Hence, the answer to this question is B, 2 and 3. Question number 5. The 44th Amendment to the Constitution of India introduced an article placing the election of Prime Minister under judicial review. No, it is not 44th Amendment. It is actually 39th Amendment, and this placed the election of Prime Minister, Speaker, President, etc. beyond the judicial review. So 1 is wrong. The Supreme Court of India struck down the 99th Amendment to the Constitution as being violative of the independence of judiciary. This is absolutely true because 99th Amendment deals with NJAC, which is National Judicial Appointments Commission. So the answer to this question is B2 only. Question number 6. The 9th schedule was introduced in the Constitution of India during the Prime Ministership of the 9th schedule was introduced by the first amendment. So you must have known the answer now. It is by A. Jawaharlal Nehru. He wanted to protect some laws and he did not want the courts to discuss the laws because they deal with the fundamental rights. So to place such laws, he introduced the 9th schedule.
But now, anything under the 9th schedule is also prone to judicial scrutiny in order to comply with the basic structure doctrine. And this was established in the landmark judgment of Keshav Nanda Bharati.
Question number 7. With reference to the Constitution of India, consider the following statements. No High Court shall have the jurisdiction to declare any central law to be constitutionally invalid. No, this is absolutely wrong because the High Court and Supreme Court has the jurisdiction to declare the central law or the state law to be constitutionally invalid. An amendment to the Constitution of India cannot be called into question by the Supreme Court of India. Again, this is absurd. This is also wrong. The answer to this question is D, neither 1 nor 2. Also, in R. Coelho case, the Supreme Court ruled that there cannot be any blanket immunity from judicial review of laws included in the 9th schedule. Question number 8. With reference to Constitution of India, the prohibition or limitations or provisions contained in ordinary laws cannot act as prohibitions or limitations on the constitutional powers under Article 152. It could mean which of the following? Please read the bulky answers. Whenever you see this Article 142, you must understand whether it will deal with judiciary, legislature, executive, election commission, or what is it. And if you are aware that Article 142 deals with judiciary, then you would rightly take the answer as B, which is the Supreme Court of India is not constrained by the in the exercise of its power by laws made by the Parliament. So, what is Article 142? It states that Supreme Court, in the exercise of its jurisdiction, may pass such decree or orders that is necessary for doing complete justice in any cause or matter pending before it. That is, according to 142, some special powers are given to Supreme Court so that it can pass any order to do justice in any case. Question number 9. The motion to impeach a judge of Supreme Court of India cannot be rejected by the Speaker of the Lok Sabha as per Judges Inquiry Act. No, this is wrong, because the Speaker can reject it. The Constitution of India defines and gives details of what constitutes incapacity and proved misbehavior. No, the Constitution has not defined it, and it has not given detailed explanation of what constitutes incapacity. The details of the process of the impeachment of Supreme Court are given in Judges Inquiry Act. This is correct. And please do read the other option too. If the motion of the impeachment of judge is taken up for voting, the law requires the motion to be passed by so and so members of the voting. This is also correct. The answer to this question is C, 3 and 4. Please do read the impeachment procedure of the judges of Supreme Court. This is very, very important, and it may be asked in the upcoming prelims with some other questions too. And also, if you are new to polity, please, I have given the details of different types of majorities which are required to be passed for passing different bills. So, pass the slide and study them now itself. See, I have given absolute majority, effective majority, simple majority, and special majority. Special majority is of 4 types. Please do read them. Please do study them. Question number 10. Which one of the following suggested that the government should be an eminent person from outside the state and should be detached figure without intense political links? Actually, this was first told by Sarkaria Commission. This is a fact-based question, and hence you can attend it only if you are aware of the fact. Question number 11. The Parliament, the Prevention of Disqualification Act 1959, accept several posts from disqualification on the grounds of office of profit. The above mentioned act was amended 5 times. The term office of profit is well defined in the Constitution of India. To answer this question, you need not have known all the facts, but you can use the elimination method to get the answer directly. You see, let's check the option 3. The term office of profit is well defined in the Constitution of India. No, it is not defined in the Constitution of India, and that is why the AAP MLA controversy was there. That is Aam Aadmi Party's MLAs controversy. In the court, it was there. So, if you are aware of that news, you can directly strike out this option. Now, when you cut out option 3, you have only one option left in the answer, which is A, 1 and 2 only. So, the answer to this question is A, 1 and 2 only. Statements 1 and 2 are correct.
Question number 12. This is with reference to the Legislative Assembly of a state in India. Statement number 1. The governor makes a customary address to the members of the House at the commencement of the first session of the year. This is absolutely correct. Just like the President addresses the Parliament at the commencement of the first session of each year, the governor also makes a customary address to the members at the commencement of the first session of the year and also at the commencement of the first session after each general election. When a state legislature does not have a rule on a particular matter, it follows a Lok Sabha rule on that matter. Yes, this is also correct. So the answer to this question is C, both 1 and 2. Question number 13. In the context of polity, which one of the following would you accept as the most appropriate definition of liberty? See, this is a very hypothetical question, and liberty may mean anything to any person. But according to UPSC, UPSC has given a very positive connotation of liberty. It means providing opportunity to develop oneself fully. So the answer to this question is D. There is one more video today to watch. Please do watch it. Have a nice day. Thank you.